You guys, I just wanted to tell you about this little guy that I just found in the garden, and it looks like a little alligator, I always think, but this is actually a ladybug larva. They don't look anything really like a ladybug. They are black and they sort of have some orange spots on the side of them. But this is the good guy right here. So if you see this and you're not familiar with a ladybug larva and it kind of freaks you out a little bit, please don't let them be. We're going to put this guy back out in the garden because these are the ones that are really eating all the aphids that you might find in your garden. So that's really what they're doing. In fact, it's this juvenile state that eats more aphids than the actual adult lady beetles do themselves. So this is a good guy, and we'll put him back in the garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.